Okay, so for this next step, let's add in some product information into our second Google Sheet. So head back to Google Sheets, open up the products tab, and now add some product info in here. I prepared some earlier. So we're going to sell a t-shirt, a mouse mat, a bag, a mug, a membership, and a t-shirt. So the same as we did before, you want to have the title, description. For the images, you just want to get this shareable link here from Google Drive. It's the best way to use it within Glide. Then once you've filled this in, go back to Glide, press reload sheet, head over to products, and it should pull in your product info. Now what we're going to do is just change the layout of this. So I'm going to have a gallery, columns with the title, the description, the title, the price, and the image is going to be mapped to the image column. Perfect. Now we've got our products in here. If we click through one, we'll be able to see what it looks like. Okay, so now we've got our title, our image is showing the link, so we want to get rid of that. It's got our SKU code and a basic text which is displaying the price. So we're going to want to add in a couple of things now, which is obviously the image. Let's add that at the top, make that t-shirt, the price. Okay, cool. So now if you go on any product, it's got the price, the image, and all our products there. Now for the next part, we are going to want to add our buy button. So this is a feature that's only available to pro apps. So you'll have to upgrade your account, or sorry, upgrade the permissions for this app. Starts at $29 a month. If you scroll down on your components list here, if you go up to the plus on the component side, once you're on the actual product page, press plus, scroll down, you can either search, and we're going to want to find the buy button, not the end buy button, the buy button. Press that. We're going to upgrade our app. It's just going to set monthly. Okay, once you've upgraded your app, now you have access to the buy button. So go back to your products, click into a product, back up to components, scroll down to your buy button, and now connect it to your Stripe account. So click connect. Okay, once you've logged in, just click connect to my Stripe account. Okay, now we should be able to add our buy button. Buy. Okay, so we're going to need to